Hey guys, welcome to Forged in Foam. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make this pipe bolt action rifle from Fallout 4.
Alright, so first you're going to want to cut 4 separate pieces. The top 2 will look different than the bottom 2. And then you're going to want to glue the top 2 pieces together and then glue the bottom 2 pieces together. You'll be using contact cement for this. Once the top 2 pieces are glued together and the bottom 2 pieces are glued together, you're going to then want to glue those 2 pieces together, and it should look something like this. The next thing I did was I took my Dremel and sanded out a channel where the PVC pipe will sit. Next, I sanded and rounded the edges using my belt sander. Next, I wanted to give the foam a wood-like texture, so I took my X.acto blade and started cutting lines into the foam. After you've made all your cuts with the X.acto blade, you'll want to use a heat gun on it to open those cuts up. Next, I create a pattern and trace it onto some 5mm craft foam. This will be the metal piece that wraps around the foam near the base of the handle. After that, you will need to remove a small rectangular piece from the foam. Next, I start gluing this piece on using contact cement. Once you have that piece glued on, you'll then need to cut out another piece that'll fit on top and glue it into place as well. After that, I created a pattern for the levers that go on the side and transfer that onto some 2mm craft foam. I used my Dremel to create an opening for the chamber, and then I drilled a hole into the pipe for the bolt. In order to get the bend into the pipe for the bottom portion of this handle, I used my heat gun. Once the pipe was hot enough, I was able to bend it into shape. I also added a front sight post using 5mm craft foam. I did the same thing for the rear sight post. After a base coat was applied to all the parts, I then started piecing it together and adding the details. To create the spring that's visible inside the chamber, I used a thin piece of 5mm craft foam and wrapped it inside. Now that everything's assembled, it's time for the final paint job. Unfortunately, I didn't have any videos of me painting this, but here are a few pictures of the final product.
Alright guys, well, just want to say thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.